The cow and ox made their residence in the outskirts of village under a banyan tree with some leaves and straws. There they met a bitch who had just given birth to a puppy. All the four animals lived happily for almost a week, and then again another tragedy took place. One day the bitch had gone for food in the village, but she found nothing. Suddenly she saw a small child with some food. She thought to take some bite, and as she proceeded forward, she was attacked with a grass cutter. She was wounded heavily. Somehow struggling, she reached to her fellow animals and requested the cow to look after her child after her death. The cow assured her, and after 2 days the bitch died. The cow used to bring food for the puppy, but he could not digest the food, and thus he was becoming weaker day by day. One day he attempted to feed himself from the mammary gland of the cow, and he was successful in that. This incident was no less than a miracle. Even the cow could not understand how it happened. Now, as the happiness was approaching them, they were hit by another tragedy. The dog was quite grown up now, and thus one day the ox accompanied the dog in the village to guard him while he was learning to pick the food. Suddenly he was seen by the owner, who thought that the ox is coming back to his house, and thus he was charged with sticks ruthlessly. The ox became furious, being beaten for nothing, and thus he retaliated. He picked the owner from his horns and flung him at some distance. The owner got injured, and in no time the entire village was after the ox. The puppy hid himself in some bush. The humans kept chasing the ox through the field until he fell down, being exhausted. But the humans were not satisfied with just that. They lifted the helpless ox and tied him upside down to a nearby tree for the entire day and night. The cow and dog went there and kept crying until the villagers untied the ox from the tree. But it was too late. The ox was lame from the plowing incident, and now he was so feeble that he could not move for even 10 meters. The cow and dog used to bring some grasses and fodder for the ox, which could only put him to life for just 3 days. Now remains the cow along with the puppy. After a week, when they were almost getting normal, after a heinous tragedy, another tragedy followed. Somehow, the greedy owner came to know that the cow is feeding the puppy with her milk, and therefore he decided to grab the opportunity. One day, the owner went to the cow to drag her to his house, but this time she paid whatever little resistance she could, but that was of no use. As he was forcefully dragging the cow, the dog was also following her, but the owner didn't allow the dog to come in the vicinity of the cow. He tied the cow to a peg and was happy that this evening he will milk her, and the dog was sitting almost 200 meters away from the cow. In the evening, the owner struggled for long to milk her, but he got nothing, and thus enraged, he beat her brutally, but didn't chase away the cow out of greed that she might give milk in the morning out of fear of pain that she has got now. The entire village was sleeping. The dog came near the cow. Both of them exchanged tears. The cow told the dog to be kind to humans in any circumstance, because they are the one who gives us food and shelter. When it was almost 12 in the night, the cow contemplated about her life. The only responsibility which she had was to look after the dog, and now he was well grown up to take care of himself. And thus, out of profound grief, pain, and considering the nothingness of her life, she held her breath to halt her life. And now, in the mid of the night, scene was somewhat like this. a dog crying in utter grief next to a dead cow, and one by one, the good humans are coming out of their house to chase away the dog.